Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Hubdoc Document Fetching. Review my usage experience. Hubdoc Document Fetching. Review my usage experience offers a service that automatically gathers and organizes financial documents from various sources like banks and credit card companies. Its main purpose is to streamline accounting and bookkeeping for small businesses and freelancers. Key features include document fetching, categorization, and secure storage. Their website provides details on their pricing plans and features. Hubdoc boasts ease of use, claiming a simple setup and intuitive interface. They emphasize security and compliance, though specific details are best found on their site. Pricing appears transparent, although specific plans need to be checked directly with Hubdoc. They don't explicitly mention a specific technology, but the automated document fetching suggests the use of API integrations. Availability is likely dependent on the financial institutions you use. Their website will provide more specifics. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Hubdoc Document Fetching. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. After creating an account, the connection process to my bank and credit card accounts was straightforward and only took about 15 minutes. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the clear categorization of the documents, invoices, receipts, etc., which saved me considerable time. Performance was excellent. Documents were fetched consistently and quickly. Occasionally, a document wouldn't categorize correctly, but manual adjustment was simple. I had a quick question about connecting a new account and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated categorization. One minor drawback was the slight delay in fetching documents from one particular credit card company. It took a little longer than others. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Hubdoc. It significantly reduced the time I spend on bookkeeping, freeing me up to focus on other aspects of my business. That's my overview of Hubdoc Document Fetching. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.